Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I have a brand new video, and this time we are going to unbox the YEEZY 350 Boost. The color is clay, as you can see on the description here. YEEZY Boost 350. See how they look like. Okay, it's a slide box, goes right, and it comes off just like that. Brand new YEEZY 350 Boost clay. This is a very unique color. It's Boost on the bottom here. You can see Boost. This is like a little mesh. This is the right side up here. They have various colors in these, this style. I could name some, maybe that glows in the dark. There's one sesame. I have that one. I'm gonna do a video on that. So look out for the next video on the sesame Yeezys. These are how they look. From the front, sides, back. The reason why I bought these are they're really comfortable sneakers. All the ADIDAS Boosts are really comfortable. This is the side, the back. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the small video of this unboxing, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.